Hello, welcome to this channel again. My name is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim your Celia Airdrops. If you have participated in Celia and you have not claimed your airdrops, you need to pay attention to this video. But before we move ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit the subscribe button so that whenever new videos are shot, you will be notified. All right, thank you for doing that. So let's move ahead to the business of the day. All right, if you have been mining Celia, you just open your Celia app, and then we'll see. All right, we have an instruction here which is asking us to connect. First, it says choose your wallet and connect. So let's click on that connect. All right, what do you want to use? What kind of wallet do you want to use for your airdrop? There is Bybit wallet, there is MetaMask, there is Trust wallet, there is OKS, and so on and so forth. But if you note, you will see here that something is showing here recently. It means that I recently connected the Bybit wallet. But for the sake of this video, I will teach you how we are going to connect your Trust wallet. So we click on the Trust wallet app and try to connect. Okay, so you are in the Trust wallet now, and what is required is the BNB smart chain. Okay, so you can see that already BNB is showing here. The smart chain is showing here, otherwise you would have done that manually. So because it's already showing here, you just click on the connect button, and so okay, warning, your account are at immediate risk of being hacked, install whatever. Install authenticator now. I don't think I need that for now. So I will click on this continue to app, and then all right, continue to app. Okay, global exchange utility token, more than just first community driven. Okay, it's more of an ad. So I'll have to sign in. Okay, I will sign it to your account. Enter your email address. The email address with which I created this account that I have been using. So I'll click on I will enter the email address. All right, and it also says enter your password. There is a password that I use while signing for this. So I will just pause this video and enter those things, and we'll 0.05 Celia. So that is how we are supposed to connect our account. But let's cross-check if this address corresponds to what we have. OX, and it ends with 39828. Let's go to our Trust wallet to see if that is the same thing with what we have in the smart chain. Okay, this is the receive account. You can see OX, and it has 39828. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. You can see here, you can see the beginning OX, and you can see the 39828. So it means that we actually use the right address and we're connected to the right BNB smart chain. Okay, so that is how you are supposed to connect your account. So check in. Let's see. Okay. Okay, thank you so very much. Every other thing has been done, the KYC and so on and so forth. So if you want to collect your Celia airdrop, that is the exact procedure you are supposed to take. So once again, thank you for your time. If you find this video helpful, make sure you share it to your friends and like it as well. Thank you. See you in our next video.